Buongiorno, my friendos. I'd like you to listen to something. I'm walking up the garden at the moment. Just walking and walking. You can see the garden. There's the new shed. I can't see the shed. Nope, no shed. Oh, listen to this. Walking back to the house now. Oh, let's try a different angle of the shed. Still no lights. You may still be able to hear anything going on. At this moment I'm walking back in the house and my sausages are cooked, ready to put in the baguettes now. Yes. Perfect food. They're called tiger bread baguettes with some sausages. Sounds yummy to me. I might have to put you down whilst I'm cooking this stuff. So I might just talk to you. I'll have to just talk to you because I'm still here. Can't show you what I'm doing because I can't even see what I'm doing. That's what the drunken train quadrist does. What if we had some? We need. We need a plate. We've got a plate. Some sort of cutty stuff. Cutty stuff. Oh no. Oh. Yeah, the tumble dryer's on because my wife's going to work in a few hours and we forgot to put our washing in. So she's got her uniform for tomorrow. That still needs another few more minutes in the washing dryer thing. Bugger. I know. Right, we need to find a red cutting type of device. It's been put away by the kids, so it could be any drawer. Even in the rolling pin drawer. Yes, we have a rolling pin drawer. Do not Does anybody else have a drawer dedicated for rolling pins? We've got loads of them. Ceramic, china, wood, metal. They're not actually used as rolling pins, they're more likely to be used as just got to cut the bread now, dudes. This is Deadpool cooking. Deadpool? Who's Deadpool? This is the drunken tranquilitarist cooking. We've got our French stick baguette. We just need to measure the sausage size. We take the sausage out of the oven, put it against the breadstick and go, it's that size. That's how big it is cut. But we leave a little bit either side just for the